I'll talk to you
Let's
after.
talk about what's on the show.
All right, here's what's on the show. Apart from the fact that Marvin likes
That
to
we've already
smash up.
plugged the web and social media.
All right, roll up the prompter. Let it tell you what's
It's
coming on
not
next.
moving. Right.
Daily Q.
So it's a sneaky way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar. The folks from Don't Worry are here with the sweet bits and bites.
And we get more than just a bite from the archives. Faye Ellington is celebrating 44 years in media.
Wow.
44. 44.
Wow. And she look like 30.
44 years, all that dancing, man.
I know.
We're gonna have a chat with her this morning on our Girl
That's
Power
going to be fun.
Tuesday program, so it's gonna be fun for Truly.
Yes,
Are we showing a video now?
apparently.
Video.
Apparently there's a video. No, I don't think so.
Okay.
All right, so we're also going to be this morning highlighting, oh, there you go.
But
What is this?
what's happening? Let me explain something to you people. I wonder if you know you're working.
No, hold on a moment.
Is Karina, was that Spence? Watch his
Oh,
phone.
no,
Watch
what
Coasting.
is that?
Watch
What is
Coasting now.
that?
Watch Coasting now. Oh, this is not just we. Do you understand, people? Whoa! Oh!
Hold on a moment.
Go Coasting. Go Coasting.
No, don't do it, Simone. Don't say go Colson. Say
Yeah,
stop
man,
Colson.
go. No.
Stop Colson.
When I say go Coasting, I mean go
Oh, what did-
Coasting.
I
Out
don't
and
know what
door.
Colson do a while ago.
Wow, you guys are having a good time.
Spence, I didn't know you had it in you. Boy.
You know it's why the control room
Girl
is very
Power
cold.
Tuesdays.
So they have to,
Girl Power Tuesday, I'm away for drought people, you know. Spence.
especially the men. All right, I'd like to see that video again.
Just one thing me never sure of. Please, me just want to Spence. One something I want to clarify.
Can we see it again?
Okay. Yes, okay. All right. You see, okay. All right. Watch the bottom now. Woo! Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy,
Oh! Me never know so that move they still do though. From 17 still now. And Coasting is doing the snake.
No, that's not the snake.
But he did this.
Why,
Didn't he
no,
do this?
why you keep putting meaning to what Colson
He
did?
did this before he did the Egyptian.
Simone.
This is the snake and this is the Egyptian.
It's the chick V Colson though. Colson hook up like That don't look like no snake.
Like the bloody
That is
dance break last week.
Strictly chick V. So you know what?
Wow.
Let's run straight into the hot topics.
All right, let's do that, Miss
Oh
Harris.
my gosh, I wasn't prepared for that.
I feel like something is catching down on me, Delia.
No, don't take
True.
it up, Mama.
Into my throat back.
This
Anyway.
now, what is this? Missing meals, schools in need of healthy food supplies. Concerns are being raised in the education sector about few or no alternatives to bulla cakes and other high sugar products following their withdrawal from public schools. The education minister had announced the withdrawal. We had him here in Smile, Jamaica. And we did ask what was going to be the alternative. Well, Fabian Mahaber, principal of Mona Heights Primary, says he's not opposed to the withdrawal, but it is critical that policymakers make a concerted effort to ensure that transitions are as smooth as possible and that an adequate number of products are available to serve every student. What I've
Right.
seen so far is water and porridge mix.
Water and porridge.
I think today when I checked, we got sandwich wraps, but we have over 200 students on the PATH program, and we saw only 80 wraps. So each class could only get 2
So the concern is that the bullas have been,
taken out and nothing has been put in.
So similar sentiments expressed by a downtown Kingston-based primary school principal who asked to remain anonymous. He said, what is the alternative? I'd like to know. Strongly believe that bullas should not have been pulled so suddenly. Instead, they could have used the same products but used less sugar. There were other products that the ministry used to send as well, such as a cornbread, cheese bread, sandwiches, and porridge. We've got nothing of that sort since September, and we have got no alternative. Wow.
Well, in response, Minister Reid says schools should contact their education officers. He says they're moving to feed only students on PATH with cooked meals And they're provided increased resources, paying canteen staff, upgraded canteens. Minister read them to school, I said nothing of us do.
Oh gosh.
This is, I would hasten to say, education officers, in this time of technology, don't even wait. Just send out an email this morning to ask which schools are having difficulty. Look how we're talking about children. You know what I mean?
And if they don't eat, they
picking up
can't
for
learn.
hungry. Picking up for
can't learn
hungry. Picking up for hungry. Especially when they don't have it. They mustn't feel. We must never bring children to a place, and some of them still are, where they feel disadvantaged because me not have it, me feel hungry. We in Jamaica picking up for hungry. So I would say do a quick check, see where the issues are, and please resolve it for the children. Don't make September morning done. And
Especially
pick
on
me
a
hungry I
program
go to
that is
school.
supposed to provide for the kids. But that's
Yeah,
what PATH
man.
is there for, to serve that purpose.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
This are from long time we have feed children. Don't, please. It's a great initiative. I'm not knocking it. I'm just saying work out the kinks. Work out the kinks.
Alrighty.
All right.
Guess what, guys?
What?
UTEC and is this CIPAR, the Caribbean Institute of Pharmacy Policy, Practice and Research, have developed a new, quote, farm to pharmacy short course on medical cannabis for Jamaican pharmacists. Look at
Wow.
that. It's a 4-month course developed by Associate Professor of UTEC, Dr. Ellen Campbell Grizzle, with the support of Leaf of Life Jamaica, and it's going to provide technical expertise in the area of pharmacology, prescribing, and dispensing of medical cannabis. It's an online course primarily, bringing together experts from Jamaica and the US who are said to be adding their cutting-edge technology to the training. I guess this is timely because there are no stores that are dispensing
That
medical
would be
marijuana.
correct.
So it's good to have people who know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Like I said, they know how to dose and so on and so forth. Wow. So we're doing this, huh? It's happening.
Yeah. Yeah.
Slowly.
Slowly, but
it's
at
happening.
least it's happening. Let me
Okay.
say that.
And the first cohort is set to complete the course in November
Yeah.
of 2018. All right.
Grace Kennedy has issued a call for more of its employees to take advantage of the benefits of flexible work arrangements. Grace Kennedy offer flexible work arrangement, them wouldn't have to tell me 2 times. They say employees can choose between staggered working hours and a compressed or extended work week.
I love
It's
that.
part of their week hair corporate culture. Nice. Don Webby, nice.
Very nice.
Them wouldn't have to tell me 2 times.
A major part of our strategy as we look towards our 100th anniversary is to increase efficiency across the company while keeping our employees highly motivated. The GK flexible work policy is aimed at ensuring that team members have the freedom to fulfill their personal needs and responsibilities while optimizing productivity. Something that we've been talking about for a good while, so it's good to see it.
I like it. And he's
finally
encouraging
moving
corporate
today.
Jamaica too to explore the option given the ongoing road work. He says he believes it's important. Well done, Don Webby. Nice.
GK, they care.
Now look on this now. Weight Watchers, drop the weight from its name because it is moving. Mindy
more
Grossman
holistic.
said they did not stand for Weight Watchers or wellness that works. It was simply a marquee.
Hold on, so
She says WW now.
what?
Yeah.
But WW don't mean nothing?
She
It
said
do-
shifting from a focus on just weight loss to its broader remit, looking at wellness. In other words, Weight Watchers is trying to expand its market to skinny people. So
That's marketing.
if it name Weight Watchers, the skinny people, them not gonna use it. But if you tell the skinny people, them say, do you want to stay skinny?
Wellness.
Here's Wellness Watchers.
Mental,
Yeah.
physical,
It's
balance,
it's all in the
etc.,
branding.
etc.
So on a tag the word weight for so long to make fat people concerned about themselves and now no drop it. These are the things I'm going to be talking about tonight at 100, you know. Yeah.
Yes, so
Yeah.
so tell me now, ladies.
I'm at 100 tonight,
You're
man.
doing stand-up comedy.
That I am.
So
Got a lot of things to get off my chest. So it's ladies' night, but I really want the men to come.
it's like girl talk on steroids. Oh.
No, but you see, men love girl talk, you know.
I
Them
know,
say them
I know, I
learn
know.
a lot. Them learn a lot. Men, I'm on your side. I'm on your side. I'm on your side, men. Trust me.
She's
tonight,
on your
I am
side.
on your side.
What time are you going to be at 100 tonight?
Comedy starts at 8.
So you're doing a stand-up set.
Yes.
Yeah, she wants all the men. She just said she wants all the men
I'm
to
for
come
the
out.
men tonight. It's ladies' night, but men, it's about you. Good things about you. Harold's coming.
Harold is in the front row. I love it.
Woo!
Excitement.
Sheffield, I wish you could come.
Is this your first time doing stand-up, Harris?
No, man.
Okay,
No,
okay,
man.
okay,
I
okay.
wish Sheffield could come, but I know it go boss.
No.
You have to open the door.
I'm probably lock up in our house as
Yeah.
we speak. Okay. Good. So check Daily out tonight at 100. 100 is on Hope Road.
Hope Road, it's
Hope
Hope Road.
All right.
Birthdays, happy birthday to ya. Benjamin, write them down.
Today's
Bill Edwards, good morning. Happy birthday to you, my love. Babisha Cameron, Machelle Matthews, Kingsley Clark, and Cordell Green told me to wish a very, 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 very special birthday to the Honorable Mrs. Justice Marcia Dunbar Green.
Oh gosh, look
The
at this
love
poor
of
man
his
or woman at this time of
life.
the morning. At Clark Cooper, like I really can't stand this arm thing you adopt and say constantly lately every second like an old woman. So annoying. You know, I'm 43 next month. I'm an old woman for true.
Oh gosh, I got a joke him this morning.
Yeah, or her.
Go on to Puerto
God
Rico.
bless you and have
Puerto
a beautiful
Rico is now
Tuesday.
Open.
Your negative energy will not spar me.
Puerto Rico is now open, Simi.
Happy
And let me
birthday.
tell you, Puerto
It's
Rico-
beautiful.
Oh my gosh, the staff, amazing.
It's beautiful.
Look, most men come back and run off at St. Anne because they're so wonderful. Good morning to the staff at Puerto Rico. Met a lovely little young lady there. She's gonna be a smile host one of them
true?
days. Yeah, man.
She
has
works
a
at
channel.
Puerto Rico?
No, little baby girl, but she's so bright. She has a future in media.
You know what
Happy
though?
birthday.
That's where you find a lot of them, you know.
Yes.
To be recruited from.
Yes.
Entertainment, hospitality,
Yes,
personality,
yes.
usually the voice.
No, so she got primary school, but
Oh,
she
but
bright.
still, you
She
can-
bright. Did you see Zippy
Spot them
read in
from
30
early.
seconds? We're gonna talk about that.
Who for what and where?
No, Zippy, Empress Zippy.
Oh no.
Let me show you. Zippy
She's
take
so
up one book
beautiful.
and Zippy said,
Oh yes, I saw it.
She took
And
up
she
a
was
second
gone.
book and just said,
Speed reading.
Empress living self.
Speed reading.
We'll be back.
All right. Happy birthday, everybody.